To install Samsung text-to-speech voice data in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select language and input. Tap on text-to-speech output. If your preferred engine is Google, change in Samsung text-to-speech engine. Tap preferred engine to change and then select Samsung text-to-speech engine. And then tap settings icon. Tap install voice data. Select voice data you want to install. For example, Indonesian female. Tap download icon. Read description or instruction, and then tap install. Please wait until process complete. Tap back button. Let's do see Indonesian was installed. Let's do try in language. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.